Hey YouTube, welcome back. Doing box number 5 of the 6-box case break. Had some really nice boxes. Let's see if we can finish as strong as we have started. As always, skipping right to the good stuff. Trying to keep the video as short as possible, so there will be no codes, no giveaways, no shenanigans, just a plain old unboxing. Let's see how we do. We got a Hitmontop. It's an uncommon. We have Infernape. Let me just get a little bit of zoom here. There we go. A Focus Infernape is a holo rare. As always, there will be a recap at the end, so you don't have to sit through the video if you don't want to. We got Cincino, and then we have Grimmsnarl. Grimmsnarl is not a holo rare. He wishes he could be, though. Faux show. Got Friends in Galar. Got Mewtwo. Got Nosepass. Got Golurk. Come on, booster, open up, please. Ploys. We got Mincino. And we have a Whimsicott V-Star. Whimsicott V-Star. Alright, we got Hunting Gloves. Reverse, and we got a Staraptor. For the regular rare. Got Weavile. Got Boss's Order. Holo Rares. Holo Rare. Boss's Orders. Alright, we got a Houndoom. Character Rare. And we have a Simisear V. So a pretty nifty booster there. We got the Prinplup. And then we have a Wormadam, regular rare. We got Fracture. It's an uncommon. Reverse, and we have Ice Cube. Really want to see an Ice Cube reverse. I don't think we have that one yet. I've seen a ton of the regular ones. Alright, we got Eevee. Character rare. We got Electivire. Null rare. We got a Torkoal. That's an uncommon. We got Shaman V, alternate. So that's pretty nifty. Pretty nifty. Love those alternate arts. Hasn't been too many rainbow rares. Don't know how many you get really. Got Pachirisu. Got Dust Noir Holo. I think we've had 2. Arceus and Kindler, I think. Got Gibble. And we got a Arceus V. Oh. We got a Simisear earlier. For the V, so that's the second regular V. And we got Excalibur. Reverse holo rare. We got Grimmsnarl, regular rare. We got Grimmsnarl, reverse holo rare, very nice. We got Manaphy for the regular rare. Got Snorunt, We got Mewtwo. Got Clefairy. We got Moltres, holo rare. We got Clefable after the Clefairy. That's kind of cool. We got a Muck. So far, this box has been pretty light on adventure, I'd say. But, you know, far from over. Still some hits left, I would hope. We got a Floatzel. And we got a Bibarel, holo rare. An actual playable holo rare. Well. Got Gabite. It's an uncommon. We got a thing here. And we got a Granbull. Regular V. We got Clang, it's an uncommon. We got Clefable, a regular rare. Didn't even know Clefable was rare. So there we go. Alrighty, we got Ariados, character rare. We got a Druddigon, regular rare. Alright, let's see some alternates, or some golds, or rainbows, or something. So a little something. We got a Muffin. That's a reverse holo rare. We got Mimikyu VMAX. So we got a VMAX. Very cool. Very cool. We got Burmy. And we got Wormadon. Just skip to the next booster. We got Monferno, that's an uncommon, and we got Garchomp, that's a holo rare. Please, Mr. Booster Box, give me some stuff that is good and nice. We got Magma Basin, we got Breloom, so that was not it in that one. An upside down booster. We got a Staryu, and we got a Electivire regular. So I think this is one of those famous stud boxes that the legends sing cheerfully about. We got a Shinx, and we got a Flygon. Still like 5 or 6 boosters left, so there could be something. We got Roseanne's backup. And we got a Excalibur. So nothing in this one either. Like a Marnie's full art, you know, would be nice. Or an Arceus, something or other. We got a Putt Helmet. And we got Dusknoir number 834. Regular holo rare. Alright. Let's see. Hello. And then had issues getting out the pack. Got reverse holo Mewtwo. And we got a Manaphy. Well, I think this is the tale of sorrow. Got Beartick. We got Luxray. Regular rare. Well, on the bright side, the video is pretty short when there's no hits. We got a Gloria. We got a Samacenta V. Probably worth nothing, but I don't have one, so, I mean, we'll take it. Got a Staravia and a Haxorus. Staravia is a reverse holo uncommon, Haxorus, regular rare. Last booster. Let's hope for some last pack magic. Got a Fro. And we got a Moltres holo rare. Alright. So this booster box was really, let's just face it, was really shit. So we had Samacenta V. We had Gramble V, Arceus V, and Simisear V. We had 3 characters. We had Ariados, we had Eevee, and we had Houndoom. Then we had 1 V-Star. We had Whimsicott. And then we had Mimikyu VMAX. And then for a little bit of, optimism, we had Shaman V alternate art. So, but as as far as it goes with how good the rest of the boxes have been, we were bound to, land it down on Earth sometime soon. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.